Every horn now follows a carefully planned production route. The transformation is only beginning.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going inside Punjab Heritage Horn Industries to discover how natural grey Nili Ravi buffalo horns become luxury inlay panels.
Each horn arrives with its own natural shape and texture. Careful handling begins before any processing can take place.
Quality inspection starts immediately after delivery. Only strong and healthy horns continue to the next stage.
No two buffalo horns are identical. Their natural structure gives every finished panel a unique appearance. Cleaning equipment stands ready for the next process. Removing impurities is essential before precision manufacturing begins.
Every horn now follows a carefully planned production route. The transformation is only beginning. Final check complete. Roger that. Engaging main power sequence.
The first manufacturing stage removes years of accumulated dirt and residue. Clean surfaces are essential before precision processing can begin. Accurate measurements allow every horn to follow the correct manufacturing path. Precision begins long before cutting starts. Grouping similar horns improves consistency throughout production. Every category receives its own specialized treatment. Controlled heating softens the horn material. This process prepares it for accurate shaping and cutting. Every machine is calibrated before production begins. Small adjustments ensure accurate cutting throughout the factory. The horns have been cleaned, measured, heated, and prepared with remarkable precision. In the next chapter, the first precision cuts unlock the usable material inside each horn. Accuracy at this stage determines the quality of every finished panel. Natural curves are carefully flattened under controlled pressure. This process creates the foundation for future inlay panels. Each sheet is trimmed to exact dimensions. Uniform edges simplify every manufacturing step that follows. Calibration creates consistent material across the production line. Even the smallest variation is carefully corrected. Inspection protects the quality of every finished panel. Natural beauty is preserved while hidden defects are removed. Large sheets become carefully sized blanks. These pieces will later form decorative inlay panels with remarkable detail. Automation keeps every production stage moving without interruption. Careful handling protects the horn from unnecessary damage. Sorting continues even after cutting is complete. Matching similar patterns improves the appearance of the final luxury panels.
The core transformation is now complete. The next stage focuses on refining every surface into a premium decorative material. Every horn blank now enters the most precise stage of production. Even microscopic adjustments affect the final appearance. Precision milling creates an even surface for decorative applications. Every fraction of a millimeter is carefully controlled.
Controlled polishing enhances the horn without hiding its natural character. Every panel develops its own unique appearance.
The shade matches perfectly here.
And the measurement is exactly 300 millimeters.
Confirmed.
That fits perfectly in the foam.
The robot is ready with the next one. Ensure the film is completely smooth on the edges. That looks good. Proceed to the next tray.
The panels now appear complete, but appearance alone is never enough. The next stage will confirm that every product meets the factory's highest quality standards. Every finished panel returns for one final inspection. Even the smallest imperfection can affect luxury quality. Dimensional accuracy is carefully verified. Precision ensures every panel fits perfectly during installation. Advanced imaging systems detect details invisible to the human eye. Only flawless panels continue forward.
The sensors indicate minimal deflection at this load. The material is performing within the expected parameters. The humidity spike had no effect on the gray panel.
Confirmed. The digital readout shows consistent density.
Workers carefully wrap each approved panel in soft protective film before placing it into precision-cut foam inserts manufactured by Heritage Pack Premium.
Secure packaging prepares each product for transportation. Careful handling continues until the very end.
Scan complete on pallet 4B.
Confirm the Heritage Pack manifest matches the system total before we load it.
Have you scanned the final pallet for dispatch?
Yes, inventory is updated. We are cleared to load.
The manufacturing process is finally complete. Every approved panel now begins its journey beyond the factory.
Careful preparation protects every shipment during transportation. Organization remains essential until the final delivery stage.
Okay, bring it down slowly right there. Looks good, secure it.
Proper securing protects the finished panels throughout the journey. Careful logistics preserve the factory's craftsmanship. The finished products now leave the factory. Months of careful processing travel toward manufacturers and designers around the world. The panels arrive ready for premium craftsmanship. Their natural patterns make every installation unique.
Each panel becomes part of a luxury decorative product. Natural horn brings depth, texture, and character to fine craftsmanship. Every stage depends on precision, patience, and skilled craftsmanship. The journey reflects the remarkable potential hidden
inside Punjab Heritage Horn Industries.